Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Tool Man. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own ultimate backpack. I started out by buying this USB power bank that is powered by solar panels on Amazon, and it has 3 USBs on the side. So I took the box that it came in and I notched out the top so that the solar panels can still be used, and this side so that the USBs can still be used. Then for one USB, I have my phone charger, the other for USB-C that allows me to charge my Chromebook or laptop, and then the last one being micro USB for my wireless headphones. This is all mounted with zip ties. Now for the cooler side of things, you can just take your lunchbox, and then most lunchboxes can hold up to 4 cans of soda, so you can just take those 4 cans of soda, put it inside here, and if it's insulated, if you put an ice pack in here, it should say completely cold. Now you can just put this in your backpack and you're ready to go for a cooler. The last part to this backpack is the gaming system. My original plan was to just use a small TV and put in the backpack, but this backpack was smaller and it couldn't fit a TV, but most backpacks can. So instead I'm going to use this mini projector and an Xbox. And the Xbox slides in the bag, and then this also does, and then I'll have both of those plugged into this power strip, and then when I want to play, I'll just pull both of them out and plug this in, and then I'll be able to play anytime I want. So as you can see here, I have everything wired up. I have the 3 USBs going to my phone, and if I tap the screen quick, as you can see, it is charging. And then the Xbox controller is plugged in. There's no batteries in the back. That's working. And then my computer, that's the battery light, meaning that's on. And over there, since the lights are on, the projector doesn't work great, but when they're off, you can see that I have a Rocket League going right there. If we can get 10 likes on this video, I will make a part 2 to this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.